Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, you are going to perform automation on e-commerce web application. In addition to this, you will also learn generating CSS locators to find web elements and to perform actions on web elements of web page. These are our test requirements and we need to perform automation on each and every step. Let me show the steps manually first. We need to launch the browser and navigate to that e-commerce web application. After navigating to this e-commerce web application, you need to validate that user has successfully navigated to this home page. From the home page, click on this products. After navigating to this products page, you need to validate that user has successfully navigated to this products page. On this page, you need to search something. Let's say I am searching Savvy and click on search icon. After clicking on search icon, the search results will be displaying here. You see here the three products got displayed. We need to validate that these three products are getting displayed or not. Let's start automating it. Open your Visual Studio Code and add this line reference types equal to Cypress because it will auto suggest us all the methods of Cypress. In order to write our test case, we need to write describe and it blocks. Describe, open the braces, give the title, I am giving it as e-commerce, comma, open the function, give the curly braces, hit enter, and inside describe block you need to write it block. It, open the braces, give the title, I am giving it as products, comma, open the function, and give the curly braces, hit enter. Now we need to write the test steps inside it block. First step is we need to navigate to that web application. cy.visit, give the URL inside it. So after navigating to the web application, we need to validate that the user has successfully navigated to that home page or not. For that, we will be capturing title and validating it. cy.title, open the braces, and dot should equal to. So let's get the title of the home page. Home page has the title automation exercise. Let's give it here automation exercise. Next step is from the home page we need to click on this products link text. For clicking on this web element we need to write the CSS locator. Cypress is suggesting to use as CSS locators. There are different ways to generate CSS locators. Just right click on that web element and click on inspect. You can see this is the HTML property for that products. Write the tag name which is A and attribute is href equal to value should be enclosed in single quotes. Value is products. You can see it is showing 1 of 1 and when you hit enter, products web element is highlighting. So we have successfully wrote CSS locator for products. Use it in your editor. We need to write cy.get, give the locator which you found, and we are going to perform click functionality. So click. Alright. After clicking on these products, you will be navigating to this products page. And our test case here is we need to validate that the user is successfully navigating to this products page. We can capture this page title which is automation exercise all products and validate it. cy.title dot should equal to. So title of that products page is automation exercise hyphen all products. We have successfully wrote an assertion to validate that the user has successfully navigated to that all products page. Now from this products page, we need to search something in the search product. Right click, inspect, and you can see this is the HTML property of the search product input field. So here tag name is input, attribute is ID, and value is search product. You can see 1 of 1, and when you hit enter it is exactly matching that search product input field. Use it in your Visual Studio Code. cy.get, give the CSS locator here, and we want to type something in that search product input field. For that we have a method type, and inside the braces give any product you want to type. I am giving it as saree, and after typing saree we need to click on this search icon. Right click and inspect. You can see this is the HTML property which is highlighting. So here the tag name is button ID equal to value. You can see 1 of 1, and if you hit enter exactly the search icon is highlighting. Use it in your Visual Studio Code. cy.get, give the CSS locator, and we are going to perform click functionality. Click. After clicking on search icon, the products will get displayed. Currently it is showing 3 products. So we need to validate that these 3 products are showing or not. For that we need to write the CSS locator for this. So inspect. So this is the HTML property we need to write the CSS for. We can also write the shortcut CSS. If there is a class name, you can write dot class name. Let me show you. Dot class name, and currently it is showing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 are hidden. We have 3, but here it is showing 5. In order to write only the visible products, you need to traverse to this below div tag. How can we do that? Just hit space and write the CSS. We have class there. We can write a shortcut CSS dot class name. You can see now it is only showing me 3. So this is the correct CSS for our products which are getting displayed. Use it in your VS Code. cy.get, give the CSS locator, dot. We need to validate that the products are getting displayed or not. For that we are giving assertion dot should. Open the braces, and inside the single quotes you can write have.length, 3. Here in this line we have wrote dot should have.length 3 assertion because after clicking on the search icon, here the 3 products are getting displayed related to saree. We need to make sure that these 3 products are getting displayed or not. So for that we gave the assertion have.length will validate the given value. So we gave value as 3, and it will validate those 3 products based on the CSS locator which we gave. Save it. It's time to execute our test case. Open the Cypress dashboard, npx cypress open, hit enter. From the Cypress dashboard, select end-to-end testing and click on the start end-to-end testing in Chrome. My spec file name is ecommerce.js. I am clicking on that, and you can see Cypress Test Runner is executing its test case. We have successfully navigated to that web application of e-commerce, and it has successfully validated the home page, and later it clicked on products. It will search for saree, and you can see it is too fast. It has already executed all our test cases, and you can validate each and every step from this Cypress Test Runner. First, it has navigated to that website, and then it has validated the user navigation of home page. After that, it has clicked on products, and then it has validated the title page of products, which clearly tells that user has successfully navigated to that all products page. And then it started typing the input of Sari and clicking on search icon, and after clicking on search icon, 3 products are getting displayed, and it has validated that 3 products are getting displayed. This is pretty much about our first e-commerce web application automation. If you are new to automation and you have never learned generating CSS locators or any kind of locators, I have a dedicated video which is uploaded in my YouTube channel. Please go and watch. Thank you.